Hey team, I just wanted to give you a quick update. Um, let me go here first. As you can see in Taylor's message on Slack, we will not be picking up any districts. We didn't pick up any yesterday, and we're not going to pick any up on Wednesday of next week. And I know that the resources in our area are just chomping at the bit, and we're running out of ideas of things that we can do as resources. But I want to show you a document. I just talked to Steven earlier today, and he helped me see that this will not last for very long. So, in our area, let me see. Okay, as you can see, it took me, I haven't even looked at this. I just started recording. That's not a very smart thing to do. So, we're currently here. So, we had a lot of districts a few weeks ago. We've steadily gone down to now where we've had these four districts that we picked up on May 6th and are going to leave before May 27th. They're going to leave on May 25th. So that'll again give us a Tuesday where we don't have any missionaries. Um, but on May 27th, Stephen told me that we're going to pick up five districts. So we'll have a total of five districts in our area. And those teachers who haven't had a district in a while will be the first to pick up. And then the very next week, we'll pick up an additional two. So we'll have a total of seven. And as you can see, it stays that way. There's a slight dip in June, but after that, it stays pretty steady through July. And this is where the numbers are pretty accurate, but after July, it gets kind of, we're still waiting for mission calls and stuff like that. But I guess what I'm getting at is we will have more missionaries. This waiting period will go away. And it's just kind of weird with the whole coronavirus and a lot of missionaries. This is typically our low season, but it's what's compounding it is a lot of missionaries are deferring because of the coronavirus. So just know that we will be getting back to a lot of teachers teaching. This won't last long. If you have questions or concerns about resourcing or you need more ideas, I'm happy to counsel with you. But I also trust you. Thanks, everyone.